Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by gathering essentials and moving immediately to an authorized center. Bring your original Aadhar, a photocopy, and one valid photo ID for verification. Once done, make sure to note the center code and appointment time. Booking in advance saves waiting time. You'll pay the nominal biometric update fee at the counter, so have exact cash or card ready. The agent will verify documents and confirm which biometrics need updating, so listen and respond clearly when they ask. At the counter, you proceed to biometric capture. This is where precision matters. First, confirm your identity using the Aadhar QR or a demographic check so the system pulls your record. Then the operator captures fingerprints, iris, or face. Keep fingers clean, sit straight, and follow on-screen prompts. Once sensors record high-quality templates, review the preview and give consent by signing on the device. Make sure you ask for the Update Request ID. It confirms the submission and helps you track progress. After submission, collect the Update Request ID and the receipt. This is your proof and tracking key. You should check status online or through the Aadhar app. Processing typically takes about 7 to 14 days, though times vary. If your biometrics are rejected due to low quality, return to the same center promptly and request a fresh capture. Make sure fingers are clean and dry. If issues persist, escalate to the regional office with the receipt and request ID for manual review.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.